What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the IT Cosmetics what is it called? The IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I've been hearing a ton of good things about it and I've been wanting to try a CC cream or BB cream I guess that actually works for my skin. My skin's more on the drier side and I live in Vegas, so it's about to get really, really hot out here, and I don't want to be wearing heavy makeup in the summer. So I decided to go ahead and give this a try. I went and just got a sample at Sephora because I didn't want to splurge on it and not like it and just have to return it. Didn't want to do all that. So I just went and got the little sample. So I'm going to try it out and then do an easy look for the day since I do have to go run errands. And then just see how it fares through the day. So let's go ahead and get it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and just go in with the CC cream. I'm not sure. It seems really full coverage. Like, a little goes a long way. And it has a scent to it. It smells like perfume. Oh. Okay, it's really sheer. It almost looks like I didn't put anything. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. But I'm gonna try with the brush. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels really nice and light. Okay, maybe putting this on with a brush, it's a little bit better than a beauty blender. But the smell is like, oh my god, it smells like, it's very heavily scented. It's not bad. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like chunky or like greasy, I guess. It does have a scent to it. That scent, it just like, the scent is very interesting. It smells like white diamonds with fruits. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish off with the face. This look is done. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of check-ins throughout the day just to see how the CC cream is doing. It's noon right now, so I'll do one in a couple hours and then I'll check back in tonight just to see how it's wearing, see if it makes it through this. So I'm doing a check-in. It's around 6:30 right now. The foundation has lasted through heat, food, what else? A nap, and now I'm going to a soccer game. And it's still like 80 degrees out and it's looking really nice, pretty matte. I haven't gotten greasy or anything, so far so good. So it is now 8:25 and I'm doing my last check-in for the day. It was a long day for me, as you can tell, but the CC cream did pretty good. It stayed matte for most of the day. It didn't feel cakey, it didn't feel like it was like heavy or anything, so I really liked it. I'm probably gonna go ahead and make that purchase, but it looks good and I like how it just looks natural. It doesn't look like a foundation. You can't even tell that I'm wearing it, which is pretty clutch. So if you're looking into getting the IT Cosmetics CC cream, I would for sure recommend it. I'm gonna try it a few more times just to make sure that I really like it, but I mean, after today, I feel like I really did put it to the test and it did pass. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.